This 12-inch T-SUNiceM battery-operated fan delivers strong, high-velocity airflow in a compact, floor-friendly design that suits garages, workshops, and campsites alike. The dual power setup lets you run it from compatible Dewalt battery packs or the included alternating current adapter. So, it works just as well on a job site as during a household power outage. Its brushless motor and sturdy metal blades move a lot of air while staying surprisingly quiet, and the fully tilting head lets you aim the breeze exactly where you need it. Stepless speed control makes it easy to fine-tune airflow, and with an efficient battery and the built-in USB and Type-C ports, the fan can keep you cool while topping up phones or other small devices. The metal frame, rugged construction, and water-resistant housing give it the durability needed for outdoor use, from humid campsites to dusty construction areas. Out of the box, it requires no assembly, has a solid carry handle and stable feet, and its relatively small footprint makes it easy to grab and go for travel, events, or emergency backup cooling.